on, everyone? Got a 2024 Hyundai Sonata, and we got the new key fob here that we're going to open up, and I'm going to show you how to pull the battery out. Okay, so if we turn the remote over on this left side here, you notice that there's a little slot opening, and we're going to use that with a small flathead screwdriver. Put it in here, give it a twist, okay, and it'll crack it open. All right, I'm just going to go around here and open it up, and here we have the battery. Okay, all we have to do is slide it out like this. Just using my thumb. A little bit with the flathead screwdriver. Just be careful not to mark up the circuit board. All right. Pull it out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2450. Positive sign facing out towards us. I'm going to have a link in the description box where you can pick up one of these new batteries. If you need one, it takes you to Amazon, so check that out if you need one. But you just get the new one, and it just slides in here. Positive sign, all the way in. Back cover. You just stick it back on here, line it all up. We start at the top, work our way down. It clicks all back together, and we're done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment, and I hope to see you again in another video.